enough with the procrastination. You read all the articles, you watched all the videos on how to start your business. In fact, I produced a lot of videos on that. But today is the day that we got to stop all the information gathering and step out on faith. For those you don't know who I am, I helped over 200 entrepreneurs launch their businesses. And I'm going to tell you, there has never been an easier time than right now to launch your business. And one of the biggest reasons for that is today's sponsor, Tailor Brands. They blew me away. I was totally floored when I see how seamless and stress-free it was to actually launch your business. In fact, I was a little upset because I was like, where were they when I was launching these 200 businesses for these entrepreneurs? But you know what the old saying is, it's better late than never. So who exactly is Tailor Brands? They're a complete business building platform that gives you everything to set up your business from the ground level up, starting with the formation of your LLC. JI, what's a LLC? I heard of it, but what's a LLC? Well, LLC is like a separate entity, a separate person from you. It allows you the flexibility like a sole proprietorship or a partnership with the protection of a corporation. You go, okay, what? All right, let me try this way. It allows you to shield your personal assets from your debts and lawsuits of the company if they are sued. No? Still don't get it? Okay, I'm going to give it to you in the JI way. It protects your backside. It allows you to not be liable personally. Get it? Got it. Now I'm going to share with you my favorite part of Tailor Brands' process and resources. I apologize if I get real excited, but this is really mind-blowing because when you register with Tailor Brands, you're not only getting a formation of your LLC, you're unlocking a power-packed dashboard with tools that's actually going to build your business from the ground level up. And guess what, folks? I'm looking out for you because if you go into the description or into the pinned comments, you'll be able to click on a link and it'll give you a 35% discount when you form your LLC. I take care of my people. I want you to go ahead and bookmark it now because we're going to dive over here and we're going to go through how the formation works. I'm going to do it real quick because Tailor Brand has a more intense tutorial that they actually go step by step and show you. I just want to show you simply how quick and easy it is to form your company right now, folks.
Okay, we're about to see how simple and easy this is. I'm going to go and select my state. I'm going to go here to Georgia since I'm in Georgia. Start right there. Voila. Let me see. Big John's Smoothie. And you can make it any name that you want. You can make more of a legal name rather than the DBA to doing a business as. But I'm just using this as a prime example. Let's see what happens here. Voila. And 25 Big John Smoothie, Georgia LLC. Congratulations. I am excited right now. Look at that. That is awesome. Now, is that just an ideal that I have right now? I'm going to say it's an ideal in my head. So it says, when are you planning to launch Big John Smoothie? I'm going to say soon as possible. What industry is Big John's in? Let's say it's food service. Okay. Are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? But of course, a brother can't be doing all the work himself. So, but there we go. Have you set an annual income goal for the business? $10 million? No. Okay. Let's see. No, I don't know yet. Where would Big John Smoothie operate from? Your business, it's going to be a brick and mortar, of course. So do I need help with LLC and a logo? Yeah. You know what? I might need help with a logo. Most definitely need my EIN number. I'm going to need some help with the license and permits, sales tax for sure. I got my own accountant, so I'm pretty good with that. Let's go and throw the website up in there. Let's go ahead and see what happens here. All right. What did you already do for Big John Smoothie? None of these things have I really done. None of the above. Bam. Right there. How did you discover Tailor Brand? It was this handsome guy who was doing this video, and he kind of told you how well it would work out if you reuse Tailor Brand. No, that's not there. Okay, that's not listed there. Let's just say friends and colleagues. All right. Bam. Free coaching program. What? That is awesome. A free 12-week coaching program. All day, bro. All day. That's a done deal. Man, I love that. Put my own personal information up in here. Let me go and put my information up in here. Okay. This is going to be the real email address right here. So y'all can jump on that there. Let me give you the business number. Hey, man, don't y'all be harassing me now. Call my business line. But here you go right there. And the characters ABC 1, 2, 3. ABC 1, 2, 3, and So I gave you those, right? Yeah, yes, sir. So bam, that's it right there. Right. What we got next? Help me get my EIN number. Yes, all day long, all day long. Yes, keep me compliant. You will be charged $199. You can choose to do that or not. I'm gonna say for right now, get saving some money. No, I'm not gonna do it. Get the toolkit. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and look at getting that. See what the deal is. Expedite 2 days. I'm not in a hurry because it's still ideal. So I'm gonna go ahead and go click there. Operating agreement. I always need an operating agreement. Thank you. Order my yes. The formation kit. This is important. The formation kit. You have all the things that you need in your formation kit, all your official paperwork, your EIN, the articles of organization, the operation agreement. All those things are pertinent for the operator of your company to show that you're a separate entity in the whole work. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on that. Let's see, notification. Get notified. Okay, so right here now it says, let's finish up. Big John Smooth's almost an LLC. Just confirm your order to make it official. Okay, so this is the elite LLC plan for $249. Let's see, you got that. Okay, and the Georgia fee is only $105. You pay $249 plus the Georgia fee. And anything else you picked up is well worth it. And the total amount due today is $249. So boom, I'll just continue on to my payments. Voila, which one I'm going to use? I can say, hey, I'm going to use my credit card, and I will punch in my credit card information into right here. You see how quick and easy and simple that was to do.
I know you heard me talk about the LLC. Yes, it's important to set up your entity. That is the beginning stages of starting your business. Yes, Tailor Brands has made it easy as pie to be able to do. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. They could have stopped right there. They could have called it a day, not Tailor Brands. They went above and beyond. When I looked at the dashboard that they have, oh my goodness, I got angry, man. I got mad. I said, look at this. This is a central command center for businesses. You say, well, John, why did you get mad? Because I wish I had it. When I was in business, I went all across the internet, piecing information together and making this organized chaos. And I still had to figure out who was going to implement it for me or who was going to fix the mistakes that I made. Well, fortunate for you, you don't have to sweat it. I'm going to go ahead and give you my 4 features that I am really in love with. So again, I get real excited. So if I go whoop, 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 it's just me and my excitement. And that should tell you something about what I'm about to discuss. The first feature that I see here that gets me going is the EIN. This is employer identification number. This is like the social security number for your business. It allows you to open up a business account, allows you to get credit cards, it allows you to get bank loans, it allows you to apply for all those things. And more importantly, it allows you to keep Uncle Sam off your back because it allows you to be able to file your taxes, whether it's payroll taxes, federal taxes, you'll be able to do that because you have an EIN number. So that leads me to feature number 2, and that is business bank account. Business bank accounts are vital to the operation of a business. Tailor Brands has made it easy for you. They did a partnership to allow you to open up a business checking account without having to make an appointment with a banker, without having to come back because you missed some documents, jumping through all the hoops. You're able to open up a business bank account just like that. So some of you guys might be saying, hey, J.I., why do I need a separate business bank account? Remember when I told you your business is its own legal person and it shields you and gives you protection? Well, if you commingle your funds, the courts call this piercing the veil. And yes, it's bad as it sounds. So keep your funds separate and keep your protection. Plus, you want to be able to get credit cards, bank loans, or even accept payments. There's no way you can apply for any of that if you don't have a business bank account. So feature number 3, oh my goodness. This is so great. This is something I'm really in love with. They have a legal document section where you can get service agreements, you can get other contracts, so that way you can look professional. I had to piece together all these little contracts, I copy and paste and change the names in order to try to look professional and seasoned and mature. They allow you to look that way out the gate. And this is important because this instills trust when it comes to your investors, to your partners, and to your clients. You look big time. You look legitimate. So please do excuse my excitement, but this area is total gold. Now, feature number 4. Feature number 4 wraps it all up because if you don't have this, it's not going to work. And that is a business email. And you're going like, how's that such a big deal? Because if you got the EIN number and you got the bank account and you got the legal documents and you're looking professional and you send an email from ilovecheesepizza@gmail.com and you just shot yourself in the foot. You have to look professional. And what Tailor Brands has done is partner with Google Workspace, and gave you the #1 professional business email there is. They went above and beyond again. Tailor Brand has knocked it out of the park. There's an old saying I learned in business. Perception is greater than reality. So if they perceive you to be mature, to be seasoned, to be professional and polished, they'll treat you that way. But they'll also do the reverse. But don't worry, Tailor Brands got you. Here you got it, folks. My 4 favorite features. Now, let me tell you, again, that's just scratching the surface. I can spend an hour just talking about this platform and talk about all the features that they have. But you can navigate to the link that I put in the description and in the pinned comments and be able to navigate yourself and receive the 35% discount. No more excuses, no more fear, no more I'm going to do it next month. Your big ideal's waiting on you. The world's waiting on it, and the world needs it. Go ahead and click the link and get started. This is your boy J.I., a random podcast. Go and give me some thumbs up and some comments down below. I'll holler at you on the other side.